Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to password protect OneDrive folders. So let's get started. OneDrive itself doesn't offer a direct set password on a folder feature. Instead, you secure folders using sharing permissions and account protection. So first of all, you're going to open and sign in, and then you're going to simply right click on the folder you want to protect. And once you do right click on that, you'll be able to see various options. So you're going to click on share over here, and then you'll be able to see copy link, and right below copy link you'll be able to see anyone with the link can edit. You could simply click on that and you'll be able to see anyone and specific people. So you can simply click on specific people over here, and once you do so, you'll be able to see it says name, group, or email. So you can type down the name, group, or email of the person that you wish to share it with. So for extra protection, you can also make sure your Microsoft account has two-step verification enabled. So this is the closest secure method to password protecting a OneDrive folder. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.